We produce cabinets, countertops, box construction, a European style type cabinet. I think the success at Superior Woodworking is we totally focus on the customer, because really that's the most important thing. Taking care of the customer, giving them a product that they're going to be totally happy with, and we practice lean style type manufacturing. Yes, we have some big boy tools, and we took that leap or that step and bought the CNC. We created a brand new, beautiful problem. Now we're producing parts faster, so fast that we're cutting parts out for 2 or 3 other cabinet shops. So now I'm producing parts so fast and making doors, my own MDF, HDF style type doors, that now we have a finish problem. So we bought a flatline sprayer. When we first got it, my head finish guy said a job that would have taken him 2 weeks to spray, did it in 8 man-hours. And now we've got a problem with sanding primer coats. So then we got the next machine, the Heeseman sander with the planetary sanders. So we're creating beautiful, beautiful problems. Without these machines, I could never keep my schedule like we do. And we're religious about the schedule. So if we tell you a date, you can take it to the bank. We're gonna be there. We promise it. And we've always met it every single time. When we have a problem, I can call Stiles, and within an hour, they're calling us back. They're with my guys who have headphones on, and they're walking them through what to do. They always have taken care of me. These tools have paid for themselves. They make their own monthly payment and have put money into the bank. I can do, and I am not exaggerating, with 12 guys, which are average cabinet shop, and I can prove this because I've had shops come tour the facility, I can double their production. And why? Because I'm focusing on time, I'm taking care of the seconds, that take care of the minutes, that take care of the hours, that take care of the weeks, that just makes things go so much faster. You know, for me, it's made this thing exciting again. So it's like starting a brand new business. I'm 54 years old, and I feel like a kid again. I'm just so excited, and it's just a great feeling. It's just wonderful to see all of this.